What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. And finally, it's Gilas season once again. After months of waiting, we will have first Gilas up against New Zealand on the 26th. And then we will have Australia. Wait, let me confirm. Gilas versus New Zealand. Huh. Yeah, Feb 26th, New Zealand first. And then Australia is March 1. So it's gonna be interesting, guys. It's the two toughest opponents in the region,
Yeah.
one and two, respectively. I feel like. Let's first talk about. Let me open my Canva. Na hindi pa rin kami sponsored. Haha. Let's
Canva,
talk
come on,
about.
guys.
Come on,
Mm,
Canva. Dami-dami
Come
yung pera dyan sa
on,
Makati.
guys.
come
All
on.
right, let's first talk about New Zealand Final 12 with Gilas.
Yeah, man,
Shout out dito kay ano kung sino
Ah,
to si Players Hood. Dito ko lang
here's
kinuha
what,
yan.
si Yeah, go ahead, Mario.
bro, here's what I will say. New Zealand is doing Gilas a favor
Yeah.
by bringing this lineup out there right now. This lineup is lacking so many players that
Key
could.
players.
Walang
Webster.
neither of the
Webster.
Webster brothers are playing.
Yeah.
Neither of the Webster brothers. Um, I forgot the name of the other guy. I'm so sorry. But I'm not gonna say that this is a bad lineup. Malakas pa rin yung lineup na
Malakas
to for
Menenga,
playoff.
Sam Menenga, right?
Sam Menenga is the guy I am most
Yeah.
worried about. Sa
Sam
mga
Menenga.
the ones who are not familiar with Sam Menenga, yan yung uh post-up player na kayang tumira sa tres and kaya rin magdala ng bola. That's Sam Menenga, brother. Uh, he's the guy I'm worried about sa Gilas. Yung matchup ni Menenga probably ano yun eh. Edu. You have to go Edu on Menenga here. Um, yeah, Edu and maybe, well, not Mike if Mike's maybe Balti if Balti's in the lineup. Another guy who you have to worry about here, si Yanni Vetzel. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. He plays in
Wetzel.
Japan. Admittedly, I'm not the most knowledgeable on this guy kasi I haven't seen him dun sa NBL. But the rest, oh sorry. But the rest of this team, guys, it's not the strongest squad New Zealand could have put out there.
Yeah.
Terangi, Tane Murray, and
Taylor Britt's good.
Rasmussen.
Taylor Britt's their
Taylor
steady point
Britt's,
guard.
he's old. He's getting kind of old na talaga though.
Yeah, pero he's
Milner
just
is
a
their big
steady
guy, di ba?
guy.
Brucey Milner kasi, the thing with Tohi Smith Milner is, shooter siya, but then he doesn't move that well laterally, so kaya naman ng Gilas yun. That's why I'm saying, and plus, this other guy, si Tyrell Harrison, he's gonna play, but he just came back from a knee injury. Okay? Like, just came back. Like, his, he just played in the last two games for Brisbane. Um, last week after missing a bulk of the season, dude. So, in this is not the strongest lineup on earth talaga. And if I'm being honest, the guy at the bottom, si McNaught, I think that's his name. I'm so sorry, but I don't even know who that guy is. But again, it's not that strong of a lineup, man. Rasmussen, Terangi, and Dane Murray are not really guys who I think they would want. I think would be in the regular lineup. So if you're Gilas, this is a good chance, even without Kai Soto. But you have the rest aside from Kai. And you have Kai Soto Light in QMB. I think we can call QMB Kai Soto Light naman. So you have a good chance. I if there were if Webster was playing, I would be more worried. Wait lang. Let me just try to pull out their other lineups from
Yung si
before.
Ngatay ba yung naglaro sa Macau, Black Bears? Or
Not sure.
from
Ngatay is good. Ngatay
Yeah.
is good. He's the one who killed Gilas last time or last time.
Yeah, I remember there was a game nga. That's why I remember si Jordan Ngatay.
Yeah,
Because there
he's good
was
naman.
really
Shooter,
yeah,
shooter kahit pa
yeah, sure.
paano.
Mhm.
Shooter can drive the ball well, but again, it's just there have been stronger lineups from dude. Wala nang Flynn Cameron dito. No Flynn Cameron. No no Isaiah Liafa. Uh, those are no Shea Ili. Dude, Ili, Leafa, Ili,
Cameron.
Leafa, what's his name? I just said his name, dude.
Flynn
Uh,
Cameron.
Flynn Cameron, Mojave King, all of these guys are not playing for New Zealand. Those are four main guys. Those are
I
four
wonder
main
why.
guys. I don't know also. I think there's one guy, I don't know if Karim Lopez is is New Zealand. Karim Lopez. Wait lang. No, he's Mexican pala. I don't know if he plays for he's Mexican. He's Mexican. But dude, that's four main guys who against Australia last window, pinahirapan nila yung Australia, men. Yung Cameron, Cameron, Webster and Mojave King, pinahirapan nila yun and they were replaced by guys who are not at that same level of skill. Obviously, I still think medyo underdogs ang Gilas dito, but not by a lot, dude. Not by a lot. I think between the two games, this is the one that they have a good chance of winning because of the lineup
It's
that New
always been.
Zealand brought out.
It's always been. I mean, yeah, you're right. This game at least they read. It's not crazy to say that they have a good chance of winning. Hindi to yung parang puso lang. No, dahil Filipinos,
Bro, I
Filipino,
could even say
Filipino.
na baka favored pa nga yung Gilas dito kahit
Could
papaano
be.
eh.
Could be because we already defeated New Zealand, diba, with a better lineup
Yeah,
with Justin Brownlee.
exactly.
So that's why I'm kind of happy, but also disappointed na, the names that were expected to see, the Webster brothers. You're right, Cameron. You highlighted si Flynn Cameron before na talagang magaling yan si Flynn Cameron.
Also, si Sam
We don't
Menengas
see.
coming from an injury. May nakita akong
He
report na
he is coming from an injury. He
Okay.
just played in the last 3 games for the New
Ayun.
Zealand Breakers.
Kakabalik niya lang after a
Kakabalik lang
month.
din niya. But then it's not the worst injury on planet Earth, man.
Parang fall lang, no? He just fell. Parang gano'n.
I think it's his hand eh. I kind of forgot. Pero yeah, but yung mas ano na injury talaga yung kay Tyrell Harrison. It's this guy I'm kind of worried about before I let you continue. I'm so sorry about that. This Yanni Wetzel guy
Yeah.
is for Japan, so he's an import, so he's probably good. I have no clue about him at all. No clue about him
So
at
siya
all.
yung parang mga X factors na malalaman
Yeah.
na lang natin kung papatayin tayo o hindi.
Yeah. Yun like in the moment mo lang malalaman sa tingin ko. Kasi these other guys I've seen them play at least. We've seen them play, brother. These are not the most people on planet Earth. I will say though that when you watch them play, they're going up against Australians sa Australian NBL kasi.
They only lost by like 3-4 points lang, I think, with their last matchups against Australia. Pero
Yeah.
ibang lineup halos.
But that was Flynn. That's with Flynn and
Si Flynn
Webster
Cam.
and Mojave.
Mojave, nandun sila.
Yeah. Andyan sila nun. Kaya nga medyo tagilid yung lineup nila right now. Terangi is a shooter, so is Tain Murray. But then, dude, it's just not that deep of a team. Not that great of a team right now. This is a great chance for Gilas talaga.
Yeah, that's right. It's like trying to compare this. I can't find the compare. No, this is
It's
like the
like-
ano.
Do you remember
The-
when NX led? NX led ba yun?
NX
Sat
led?
down Desiree Desiree ba yun? Yung,
What?
yung volleyball
Desiree?
team. When they went up against Capital ba yun?
No,
Galleries?
Okay,
When-
I can't remember.
Wait lang, I'm trying to find the game. There was a game last week kasi where
No, they lost to Galleries. Pero I
NX
don't
led?
think. Yeah, next led.
That's
I
because they
think
didn't play
it's
their
ano.
mains, di ba?
Yeah. No, they did. Not all of them. All I'm saying, man, is it looks like the SEA Games lineup of Gilas. Parang
Yeah.
really?
Like may stars. May
Diba?
stars.
Na parang
Pero
Mhm.
the rest of it is like, oh, okay.
diba? Parang where is this guy? Where is this Fajardo guy? Diba?
Yeah.
So that's what I can say na I can compare this to. That's why sabi ko nga masakit pag natatay sa New Zealand na hindi natin pinadala yung best natin. I mean, they can say na hindi natin pinadala yung best natin, but that's not their problem. That's not our problem, di ba? You
Should've
face
brought out
who's
our
in front
best.
of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
You face who's in front of you, and we already defeated you inside MOA with a better lineup than this. So, I mean, I'll not be surprised if we will be favorites. We're at home. Tapos, yung lineup
yeah,
natin is a better version of what this lineup is. I won't go through the specific players. I know some of them, not all. But again, I'm afraid of Ngatay. I saw him play well against us. Meninga too, but the rest, I mean, they won't make the national team. They're scrubs. All I'm
Oh
saying
yeah,
is,
they're not scrubs.
they,
They're not scrubs for
yeah,
sure.
they are not scrubs. All I'm saying is, we have a good chance of beating them. It will hurt if we won't. But I feel very good coming into the New Zealand game that
Are we
we're
gonna
gonna
say it's a
win.
disappointment if we lose to New Zealand?
Yeah,
Or
kasi nanalo
nasan
si
kayo dun?
QMB eh.
Nasan
Nauna si
kayo?
QMB eh.
I would say it could be a disappointment if you lose to New Zealand kasi not because you're better than them, but rather because ito yung one of your better opportunities to beat them right now without Kai Soto. Kasi walang Kai. So usually when Kai Soto doesn't play, the assumption is most probably tagilid yung Gilas. So but
Mhm.
this is a good chance for them even without Kai. Kasi yung bigs ng Gilas, medyo kaya yung bigs ng New Zealand right now. Eh.
I agree. I agree. Yeah.
I
So
think yung
we can
problem here could be Justin Brownlee is gonna be in hell um going up against this lineup kasi just off this screenshot alone, Davison, Ngatay, Murray, Rasmussen, Terangi, lima na yun na pwede magbantay kay JB. So, that could be where Gilas could struggle kasi medyo defensive minded yung limang na iniisip ko. So, that could be where it could be a problem pero yun nga, medyo baka kailangan mo yung mag-step up si Junmar. I think Junmar now has to kind of step up against Tyrell Harrison. I think Dwight has to step up for sure. And then whoever else fills in that scoring role. RJ, Juan, I don't know. All I'll say also is sa guards ng New Zealand, there's only one main point guard here, if I'm correct. I think it's just Taylor Britt, who is an actual point guard on New Zealand's roster. Yeah, I think it's just Taylor Britt. I think si Rasmussen, I think is also a guard, pero he's not a point guard. So I think Juan, RJ, Scotty could also be kind of important in this one.
They have to expose, they have to take advantage of the matchups, no? Wala masyadong.
Yeah, I think si Taylor lang yung point guard eh. This McNutt guy, di ko kilala eh. So, I
Yeah,
can't
si
say.
Rasmussen, 6'2".
He's not
Ito mukhang bago. This is like a young guy.
that
Alex
guy is
McNutt.
young, college for
Looks so
sure.
young.
I don't know
Alex
who he plays for. Oh my,
2002. He's 24. What? He's older.
he's younger than me.
Alex
He's a
McNutt.
developmental player pa lang. Di nga siya he's not even on the main team.
Ito, yung Mike Pero Nelson Giants NBL
The
team.
the 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 New Zealand NBL is a different league sa
Oh yeah,
Australia.
iba pala yun. Yeah.
Yeah. I learned that the hard way.
Mali yung inano mo,
I learned that the hard way, man. But I'm not sure who that guy is. But again, I feel like this could be a really good chance for Gilas talaga. That's not that guy. It's a guy on top, not the guy.
I know, I was playing. I was like, what? There's another McNutt?
That I'll say for sure. But yeah. Then for Australia, I think you're going to
Yeah, let's talk about Australia now. March 1 game. The Boomers, Mario, who? Kilala ko lang dito na is Nick Kay, Mitch Creek, and Sam Froling also. Those are
Sam
the four
Froling.
guys. I feel like, based from what I've watched, no,
Australia.
sila yung main guys. It's gonna be Froling, White, Nick Kay, and Mitch Creek. Can you fill in the rest?
Dude, this is team D for Australia.
Team D, dog.
Wala
Team
si
C or team
wala yung favorite player ko.
Delhi,
Si
Hickey,
Golding? Si Chris
No,
Golding?
si Hickey.
Hickey. Yeah,
Si
dude,
Hickey.
yeah. Chris Golding, Dave O'Hickey, Matthew Dellavedova. Dude, ang daming wala. What's his name? Shucks, I forgot. Keanu Pinder is also on that
Reeves.
team. Who? No, not Keanu
Reeves.
Keanu Pinder. Can you open yung last game nila? I'm curious.
Yeah,
sino yung
I'm
mga
opening.
na wala. Dude, walang Hickey, but he's been injured for a while, if I'm being honest. So,
Walang
Dash,
Hickey is
di
funny,
nga
man. Like,
Glover, Dave
Angus
O'Hickey.
Glover. To be fair, kasi pa-championship na rin sila eh. Josh Bannon's not
Si
there.
Jalen
The guy-
Galloway is good.
He's
Jalen
good, but he's
Galloway.
not playing also.
no
The
Ben
guy-
Simmons.
Dude, look, Jordy Hunter. Jordy Hunter isn't even gonna be playing for their lineup. Can you go back to the roster?
Jordan Miles Hunter.
Yeah,
Paano to?
Jordy Hunter. His name is Jordy Hunter. He's big. He's the 7-footer. Na 3-point
Si Nick
shooter.
K yung problema natin, bro.
Nick K could be a problem. I think Mitch Creek is a problem.
Mitch
Mitch
Creek din. Wala siya
Creek,
dito. Wala siya nung leg na
wala
to.
siya in that lineup, but he's a very, very good player. Mitch Creek,
Keanu
I think, is a problem for us. Sorry, can you go back to the lineup? I kind of forgot who else was there.
Oh, sorry. Here, this one.
Yeah.
Mga bago.
Mitch
Hindi ko kilala
Creek,
iba.
Nick K is a problem. Sam Froling, I think kaya ng Gilas si Sam Froling, if I'm being honest. This
With
Jack
QMB,
White,
no?
QMB kaya siguro si... Ay, not Q. Maybe AJ or... Actually, Q. Yeah, tama. Jack White is also a problem. Jack White plays for Japan also eh. I forgot what team
Import
nila.
siya doon.
Import si Jack White. And he's a good player. Yun, Jack White, magaling talaga yun. So, Jack White, Mitch Creek, and Nick K could be problems.
Gabriel Hickey.
Elijah Pepper, yung point guard nila doon, is a shooter na medyo cute nga tingnan si Elijah Pepper. Mukha siyang, alam niyo yung country sausage sa Pancake House?
Ano? Country sausage?
Parang mukha siyang Vienna sausage. Dude, yung build ni
Ah,
Elijah Pepper, bro, parang siyang Vienna sausage. And that's coming from me. I look like a can of Vienna sausages, bro. Like he's a built like one of them. But again, not the strongest lineup from Australia either. Like, not even close to their strongest lineup talaga. So, uh,
Team D.
maybe C. O A nung D. Medyo C.
C. Team
Ay,
C.
well, to be fair, Team A is sila, ano eh, Team A is, who plays for Australia
Sina
again?
Golding, di ba? Sina
No, that's
Golding,
Team,
Delavedo.
no, Team A
Pwede.
Australia is, ano,
Australia,
Nila Patty
Olympic,
Mills yun eh.
yeah, sila Patty Mills,
Patty Mills.
yun, Patty Mills, yung Team A nila eh. So, I think this is probably, yun,
Giddy nga
Josh.
pala.
Giddy.
Sina
Yeah,
Giddy.
Josh.
Mabigat nga pala yan, mabigat nga pala
Oh,
yan.
Dyson Daniels
Oo
din,
nga
Josh
pala.
Green.
The Josh Green Show.
Lahat.
Dash
Oh,
Daniels.
Jack Lande. Ano?
Oh, Jack
Dash
man.
Daniels is Dyson's brother, by the way. Sure.
Yeah. Si Duop
Si
Reed is
Nick
also
K,
good.
si Nick K yung problema kasi nasa Olympic team yun.
Olympic team si
Yeah.
Nick K.
Bro, Nick
Jack
K and
McVeigh.
Jack White. Yun, bro, medyo malaking bagay na wala si Will Magnay for Australia, but he's injured. Knee injury ata yung kay Will Magnay.
Malaking bagay rin na wala tong anim na to, no?
Bro, sobra.
Yeah.
So-
Yung
Really?
anim na yan,
What
bro.
I don't get is why isn't Matthew Dellavedova playing? Although, medyo
Man,
gets
his knees
kasi-
are shot, bro. He's old. He's
Dude,
old.
he's playing for the Sydney Kings now eh, sa Australia. I just don't, they have a long week. Hindi. March 3 kasi yung start ulit ng playoffs ng Australia NBL. So I don't know if these guys are choosing not to play para they're healthy for their teams sa playoffs. But a lot of players talaga. Jack McVeigh is not even in the playoffs, man. Why is he not playing for the Australian team? Mitch Creek has been out the whole season, by the way, for Australia, sa Aussie NBL. The one guy I am worried about here, si Tanner Krebs, shooter si Tanner Krebs. He actually plays on the same team as Chris Golding now. So, medyo magaling siya. But this guy is the one I am truly worried about. Jacob Holt.
Jacob Holt.
Dude, bago to. Medyo, even this season
Why
sa
are you
Australia,
worried if he's new? Is it because you've seen
bro,
him play
he's
sa...
good.
Uy,
He's
bata
good.
pa, no? For Brisbane Bullets.
He's big, he's strong, and he can shoot. He's good. He is actually good for Brisbane, man. He was their best player this year. Si Jacob Holt? Yeah, it's fine. Patapos na. Jacob Holt was the best player for Brisbane this year, if you ask me, and their season's done. So, honestly, right now, if you're Gilas, you kind of got gifted. You were gifted blessings by both Australia and New Zealand for not bringing out their strongest lineup. Because even here, masasabi pa rin natin na dehado yung Gilas dito. Siyempre, dehado pa rin naman talaga sila. But, alam mo yung dating dehado pag kalaban mo yung Australia na alam mong talo.
Talo by
Yung-
40, 30.
Oo, yung mga 0% chance mo nanalo.
Ito may
Dito,
20%,
May
20,
10,
30.
15, 20% ka eh. Meron ka kahit papaano with this one. Especially if we find out the lineups sooner rather than later. But, hindi to tapon for Gilas. They have a chance against both of these teams, and I believe it could be because they did not bring out their strongest lineups, but it's their decision to bring out these lineups, man. So if you're Gilas, brother, sack up, put out your best 12, 15 kasi kaya mong manalo in both of these games, man.
Yeah. I just the because I expect them to manalo sa New Zealand. Parang the high off of that New Zealand game could work against their favor. Yung Gilas na I don't see them beating Australia. I don't see them going to
I
in
get
in this
Oh, yeah.
window.
Yes.
Although I would love to see them go to 0. It's just that their C or D team
I think this
could
is
still
D.
could
C
still
or
be
D.
the favorites
Yeah.
against sa Gilas. If wala si Nick Hay, then yeah, laban man. Laban talaga. But parang yung New Zealand, wala yung Webster Brothers, wala sino yung isang guard na scorer din nila.
Cameron.
Si Cameron, si Flynn Cameron. Yun talaga, parang okay, wala talaga yung main scorers nila. But ito kasi, may naiwan pa. And it's still Australia. Like, have we been close to Australia before? It's always been belt to ass, man.
The closest we got, I think, was when yung suntok ni Jason Castro almost hit Thonmaker.
Yun na yung
Yeah.
closest na ano. And we were losing by 40 na, diba? We were losing by
Mm.
40.
Yeah, it's been always belt to ass. So, it's hard, but it's the truth. Diba? It's the truth. It's like TNT not beating SMB in the finals, the All-Filipino. It's the truth. It's the truth.
I think it's 1-1. I think we end up 1-1.
The New Zealand game, I'll be very happy na dun. Right. Yeah. And anything beyond that is just the greed that the Bible talks about. Although I won't mind it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm more surprised. Why do you guys think they don't bring out their best teams?
Sure na eh. What if they get hurt?
Yeah.
Sure na rin eh.
Sure na rin
I
by
mean,
New
like yung
Zealand.
mga, okay naman yung mga ano nila, like mga records nila, I think they're okay where they are. And I feel like that's also confidence from their end na I think we could beat the Philippines with this lineup. May mga ganun din eh.
Yeah, yun.
Knowing
Feeling ko
Australia.
mas ganun yun na pa. Tsaka parang
Yung New Zealand, di ako sure sa politics ng team nila. Di ako sure.
Susuntukin lang din tayo ng mga Pilipino eh. Di wag natin panalagay ang magiging.
Susuntukin rin naman tayo mga to eh.
But
Yeah.
I'm surprised with the lineups they brought out, man. Especially yung sa New Zealand. Kasi, actually both eh. Kasi kaya mo magdagdag ng players doon na kayang-kaya. Pero I guess, ayun nga, I think you're right. Maybe they already feel kind of set with where they are, which is fine. But hey,
Speaking of lineups.
best chance you've had in a while of beating New Zealand and Australia in the same window, man. If I'm Gilas, I'm taking it head on, brother.
Speaking of lineups, man, who's your 12? Are we gonna
12?
do the 12?
Wala pa.
We have a pool. You have the pool. May pool ba?
Pinapahanapin eh.
Wala
Wait.
pa eh.
Wait lang.
I
Check
mean-
natin. Baka, let's see if there's a pool we can pull out. Gilas.
Kay Players Hood. Si
Wala.
Players Hood.
Walang detailed.
Okay,
You have to know
well,
eh.
Yeah, we have to.
here.
We
This
don't know.
person, this guy sent this. Actually, I don't know if that's accurate. Whatever.
Yeah, I think it's safe if we.
15-man pool to, di ba? Or 12?
12 lang.
Okay. Here, this guy sent a this guy posted a 15-man.
I have my 12 na.
Do I have my 12?
Nakaisip na ako after looking at our lineup.
Oh my God. 4, 5, 6, 7.
I have my 12. Pero this is my 12. It's not Tim Cone's 12. Knowing Tim, he might just pull out a random ass 12 now. A predictable 12.
Yeah, I see the names now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sobra na
8,
pala ako.
9.
1, 2. Is Calvin Oftana playing? I forgot. Sorry.
Yeah, he said na merong
Yes.
interview na he's playing. Kaya niya maglaro.
I think I have it. I think I have mine. I'm gonna go.
Sige, ako muna?
Okay, I have
Yeah.
my 12. I think I have my
Yeah, you can go. You go.
Sige, ako na muna. Guards. Scotty, GDL. I have to put in CJ. And then, let's put Kevin Cambao. Kasi nagiging 2 rin siya minsan eh. Pinapahanda sa kanya yung bola. So, that's 4. The next 4, Dwight, Calvin, JB, Carl.
Justin Brownlee.
Nakalimutan si And then last 4 is Balti, Edu, QMB, and then Junmar will always be there. That's my
Alright.
12.
Yeah. Unahin ko na si Brownlee, man. Maiiwan ko pa yun. Stop him when I reach 12.
Nakalimutan niya si Brownlee. Sabi niya, oh shit,
My
nga pala, may
God,
Brownlee tayo.
Yeah, Brownlee, and then Junmar, QMB, Edu, and Carl. So that's 5, di ba? Dwight, of course, Shuin, and KQ. So 6, 7. And then yeah, Scotty, Newsome. I always have Newsome, man.
I didn't have Newsome nga eh.
Calvin of Tana, CJ Perez, and Juan Gomez de Leano. I think.
Who did
I
you
think
leave out?
that's-
Balti?
CJ, did you leave out CJ?
Balti.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
Balti
No,
yung ninano mo.
I left Balti. I mean,
Mine is Oftana, Brownlee, Edu, Fajardo, Balti, Newsome, KQ, Thompson, Dwight, Carl, Juan, Q.
So you left out.
I left out CJ.
CJ. So, Nico, ikaw din wala ka ring CJ, no?
No,
I
I,
have-
I put CJ in place of
You
New.
had Newsome, okay. So you
Yeah,
left
yeah,
Newsome, I left Balti, and you did leave CJ.
I left CJ. I also
So,
left. I think the two we all commonly left out were RJ and Troy, right?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
did.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
What are the odds that Coach Tim brings them to? Well, actually, si Troy wala. Alam ko. may chances.
75%.
There's a chance
RJ,
na RJ
no,
might
I
make
think
it. There's a chance RJ might
RJ,
make
I
it.
don't
Over
think
Juan
RJ
pa nga eh. To be honest,
I think
Coach Tim might
RJ
choose him over Juan.
Yeah. By the way, you know, I saw a video of Javi training with KQ and Juan. I don't know.
No, I haven't seen that, yeah.
I doubt he's gonna play for Gilas anytime soon. But hey, man, that's a nice little thing. But yeah, I'm hoping we see the lineup tomorrow, kasi or
Oo, kasi sa
Sana by
Miyerkules
tomorrow
tayo
na.
sa away
It's in
visit.
3 days.
sa Thursday na yung game eh.
Sa Thursday na yung
Yeah.
game nga.
Yeah, so sa Ateneo yun, di ba?
Oh, no, MOA ata.
No, sa MOA yan, man.
MOA.
When sa
MOA.
Ateneo? Tapos na yung sa Ateneo?
Tapos
Tapos
na,
na,
yung Guam lang yun.
Niretire nga yung kay
Awesome.
jersey ni Japet, di ba?
We won that naman, di ba? Yeah.
Oo naman, Guam yun eh.
Yeah, I remember.
Alright, yeah.
That's my 12.
I think my 12. I might 12.
Although
gets
I'm
it.
not sure if Carl is healthy.
Yeah,
He
alanganin
hasn't-
din si Carl.
He hasn't played for Changwon in a while eh.
If he's not, then Balti should get it. Then I have the best 12.
Oh, wait, it's not a competition, Gab. It's not a competition.
It's not a competition. It's not a competition, man.
I mean,
This
just
guy
expect. Yeah, just expect.
Competitive,
Carl to say,
eh.
"Oh, great."
This guy said, I have the best 12. Okay.
Okay, man. Basta manalo tayo. Anyway, yun lang naman. Graham has to go and Mario as well. Guys, follow 5-star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Let us know who your final 12 is. Loud
Also,
Pilipinas.
guys, we have like 3 more videos lined up. We have the imports video.
Once
we have-
complete na ang Titan.
Yeah.
UAP
We have the UAAP volleyball.
Dami
video.
yung utang dun. Dami yung utang
then-
dun.
and the face card episode.
And the face.
Oh.
My bad.
Oh.
We only
Pag
have
na-
2 pala.
Pag na ON2 tayo, pag na ON2 tayo ng New Zealand and Australia, sige, let's do that.
Let's
So-
go New Zealand.
So guys, just honestly right now, I think the 3 of us are all kind of busy. We're all quite busy right now. Graham has PVL, Nico's working, and I'm in school. So just bear with us. If you want to talk to us, we're actually really active on our Facebook page group pala.
Oh,
We're
6-man
really
pod.
active there. Yeah.
Dash bench mob.
Yeah, we're really active there. And the deal we made is once we get to 1,000 members, we'll do the face card episode. So join if you guys want to talk with us more. We're quite active there whenever we're not on video. But yeah.
Yeah, yun lang naman. See you guys next time.
Adios, amigos.
Wait, I can't find the stop.
Yan na naman.